Let's make melt in your mouth birria the easy way. You're gonna need some of these ingredients and some chuck roast. Let's get started. To better demonstrate this, I'm gonna use my induction top. I'm gonna use my beat up pot, but it's a cast iron. It's really good for this recipe. I dry the meat very well. Add lots of pepper on both sides. Add salt. And I'm gonna sear it. Seared well on all sides, remove from the heat. I'm gonna add the onion, the peppers, toast everything together. I'm just gonna worry about these ends, remove them, cut them up just roughly. Add some garlic. I'm gonna cut up some poblano pepper, because why not? This might not be the most traditional birria, but it's gonna be really good. Don't worry about the seeds or any. Like this, everything is gonna be strained at the end of the day. I can really smell the pepper. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the spices, cumin, coriander, some bay leaves, and some cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna toast the spices a little bit. The last ingredient, some chicken paste or some beef paste, just to add to the flavor. Mexican oregano. What I'll do now is put the meat back in the pot. Some hot boiling water. Let it cover the whole thing. Let it come back to a boil. Cover it in the oven for 3 hours, low and slow at 350 degrees Fahrenheit will be just right. It's out of the oven, very tender. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, shred it, and take the sauce. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove the cinnamon sticks and blend the rest. Strain the whole sauce, put back in the pot, and add the meat. This is liquid gold. You can make your tacos now. Look at this meat, very tender. I'm just removing the extra fat, trying to shred it a little bit. To make a great birria taco, dip like you mean it in the sauce, just like so. Add a good amount of the meat, your favorite Mexican cheese, and toast on both sides. You can do this in a skillet or on top of the griddle. And as always, I'll be leaving all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And follow me on social media, the links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!